To find the clipboard, you need to open up the keyboard. So go anywhere you can type, like a new email, a new SMS, the Google Play Store, basically anywhere the keyboard will show up. Now, once the keyboard is on your screen, press either the three dots or an arrow if you have an arrow. There are different types of keyboards, but bottom line is that on these sides, either on the left or on the upper right, there are some buttons. Press them. If you have the three dots, then three dots. If you have an arrow, then the arrow. And then look for the clipboard symbol. If you have a Samsung keyboard, you can delete stuff from here either by holding down on one message and pressing on the trash icon, or if you want to delete all of them, hold down on one of the messages, and in the upper right there is a button to select everything. Press the trash icon and everything is deleted. If you have a stock Android keyboard or a keyboard in the same style, in the clipboard, press the pencil icon, select the text you want to delete, and press the trash icon. I hope this video helped.